Hi, my name is Alix Kalfin, and I have been using Tangy waste-free products for 3 years now. We started out by using the laundry paste because I was looking for something that would allow me to discontinue my use of plastic jugs. I actually use the plastic jug over and over and over now, and I just buy the bar of laundry paste, which is great because otherwise I was buying, oh my goodness, so much plastic. I have 2 kids. I'm doing laundry every single day. I go through a lot of laundry detergent. So that has saved me probably hundreds of plastic jugs over the year, and probably has been a lot more cost effective as well. So that's how we started out. Since then, we have tried out the shampoo bar, the conditioner bar, the shave bar, the stain remover, most recently the dish bar, dish soap bar. Angie has just been so wonderful in teaching us how to use these products without having to buy plastic bottles to do all of our cleaning. So thanks, Angie, and I highly recommend go to wastefreeproducts.com and try something out. I suggest that you start with laundry paste, but really anything that she makes is wonderful.